You need to hear this if you're a professional looking to upskill without spending a fortune. Learning XYZ skill online for free is totally doable, and I'm here to show you how. First, head over to websites like Coursera, Khan Academy, or EDX. These platforms offer tons of courses from top universities and experts. Next, YouTube is a goldmine. Channels like XYZ Guru and Learn XYZ have comprehensive playlists that cover everything from basics to advanced techniques. Don't forget about online communities. Forums and groups on Reddit and LinkedIn can connect you with other learners and pros willing to share tips and advice. Finally, practice makes perfect. Try out projects on platforms like GitHub or Kaggle to apply what you've learned. So there you have it. No excuses, just free resources and a little dedication. Get started today and watch your skills skyrocket. Happy learning!